In this video, we are going to see about Poisson's and Laplace equation along with uniqueness equation. First, the need for Poisson's and Laplace equation. Poisson equation is a differential equation for the electrostatic potential V. Poisson's equations and the boundary conditions applicable to the particular geometry form a boundary value problem that can be solved either analytical for some geometrics or numerically for any geometry. So, after the electrostatic potential is evaluated, the electric field is obtained using E is equal to minus del V. And then derivation of Poisson's equation. For now, we shall assume the only material present are free space and conductors on which the electrostatic potential is specified. However, the Poisson's equation can be generalized for other materials. Poisson's and Laplace equations are easily derived from Gauss law. According to point form of Gauss law, del dot D vector is equal to del dot epsilon V or QEV. D which is equal to epsilon E. Substitute E epsilon in the space of D and then take the epsilon naught into the RHS side and then we get del dot E vector is equal to QEV divided by epsilon naught. The relation between electric field intensity and potential is given by E is equal to minus del V. And then substitute the value of E in the del dot E above formula. And then we get del dot del V is equal to minus QEV divided by epsilon naught. Del dot minus epsilon del V which is equal to del square E. For a homogeneous medium, epsilon is constant. So, the above equation will be del square V is equal to minus QEV divided by epsilon naught. This is the Poisson equation. Del squared, in this Poisson equation, the del squared is the Laplacian operator. The Laplacian of a scalar function is a scalar function equal to the divergence of the gradient of the original scalar function. In case QEV which is equal to 0 is in the charge of free region, the above equation becomes del square minus V. Del squared V is equal to 0. The Laplacian equation is the homogeneous form of Poisson's equation. We use Laplace equation to solve problems where potentials are specified on conducting bodies but no charge existing in the free space region. If the charge is not exist means QEV is equal to 0. Substitute QEV is equal to 0 in the Poisson equation which is nothing but del squared V is equal to minus QEV divided by epsilon naught. Q is equal to 0, the total equation will be equal to 0. And then we get del squared V is equal to 0 which is nothing but Laplace equation. We see the Laplacian operator in Cartesian, cylindrical and spherical coordinates. Del squared V which is nothing but Laplacian operator which is in Cartesian coordinates means del squared V divided by dou x square plus dou squared V divided by dou y square plus dou squared V divided by dou z square, because x, y, z are the coordinates of the Cartesian system. Del squared V in cylindrical coordinate system. We all know rho, phi, z are the coordinates of the cylindrical coordinate system. And then the Laplacian operator will be del squared V is equal to 1 by rho dou divided by dou rho dou V divided by dou rho plus 1 by dou square V divided by dou phi square plus dou square V divided by dou z square. Here we can use rho or small r which is the radius of the cylinder. Next, we see del squared V for spherical coordinates 1 by r squared into dou divided by dou r into r squared dou V divided by dou r plus 1 by r squared sin theta into dou divided by dou theta sin theta dou V divided by dou theta plus 1 by r squared sin squared theta dou squared V divided by dou phi squared. We all see in the Cartesian coordinates and cylindrical coordinates and spherical coordinates in the first unit itself. And then uniqueness theorem. A solution to Poisson's or Laplace equation that satisfy the given boundary condition is the unique. That is, the only one correct solution to the problem. The uniqueness theorem states that for a V solution of a particular electrostatic problem to be unique, it must satisfy two criterion, Laplace equation and the potential on the boundaries. Laplace equation is nothing but del V squared which is equal to 0, and the Poisson equation is nothing but del V squared which is equal to minus QEV divided by epsilon. Thank you.